Cross your left leg behind. Exhale to side bend to the right. Inhale to rise. Small, tiny knee bend. And exhale to side bend to the left. Keep going 8 times. Inhale to raise your arms up. Exhale to raise your left leg and bring the block to your shin. Do not pelvic tuck like this. Inhale and exhale to step back into a lunge. Hinge at your hips. Body inclines forward and squeeze the block. Keep going 8 times. Exhale, step out to the right into a side lunge. Arms cut across your body to the right. Inhale, find center. Exhale, squeeze the block and raise your right leg. Keep going 8 times. Finally, turn your body forward. Low lunge, arms reach forward. Exhale to go into the lunge. Inhale to rise. As you do this, do not collapse your back like this. Find the strength within the stretch and keep going. When you've done everything on one side, then switch sides and finally take rest.